Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Apple Search Ads and sign in with the account linked to your app. This ensures access to App Store metadata and reporting. Next, create a new campaign and select the App Store country and storefront where you'll advertise. Set a realistic daily budget and your initial max CPT bid based on your CPA goal. This tells Apple how aggressive to be. Once done, pick keywords or start with Search Match to surface early traffic while you gather performance data. You now organize campaigns into clear buckets, brand, generic, and competitor, to control bids and measure lift. This clarifies where value comes from. Then refine targeting by storefront, device type, and demographics so spend reaches high-intent users. This improves conversion rate and ROAS. For keywords, use exact and broad match sparingly, add negatives to cut irrelevant traffic, and set bid adjustments for times or devices that convert better. As data pours in, update bids and expand high-performing keyword sets to scale efficiently. You finish by establishing a routine. Review installs, CPA, conversion rate, and ROAS daily for the first 2 weeks, then weekly. Optimize by pausing poor keywords, reallocating budget to winners, and testing new creative sets. This drives sustained improvement. Also set automated rules to cap spend and alert for anomalies. If things go wrong, no installs or strange reporting. First verify attribution settings and App Store availability. Then confirm billing, storefront selection, and SK ad network or event mapping. Those fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.